You might be wondering what you are looking at in this video. This is what is known as a mud volcano. A mud volcano is a natural geological phenomenon where pressurized gas and mineral-rich water mix with subterranean mud, forcing this mixture to the surface through fissures in the Earth's crust. This results in the eruption of mud rather than lava, creating a volcano-like structure. Mud volcanoes can vary in size from small pools to large mounds and are often found in areas with active petroleum and gas deposits. They play a significant role in the Earth's carbon cycle, releasing methane and other gases into the atmosphere.